just woke up and now we are going to the restaurant. Oh.
Come this.
After a quick walk around the walkway, we're here. So guys, this looks so cool. There's a jungle and a tiger might be lurking around. A few cows are grazing and horses. Is that a deer? The weather is beautiful and let's see what we are exploring today. So today we're going to the Barati Waterfalls. Or even open. It's in the middle of the jungle. Around an hour's drive from here. Okay guys, we are now going to the jungle towards the waterfall. And it's drizzling a little bit, which is good. The waterfall may get even stronger then and may get even more cooler. Let's go to the car. It started drizzling and it looks awesome. So now we're entering the Kosi barrage. It is used to divert the water of the Kosi river. This dam is generating electricity. So we are only 50 kilometers away from Nainital. So we can go to Nainital as well. So guys, we are along this road on the way to the Barati waterfall. Wow, this is crazy. We're in the middle of nowhere. Hey, Corbett, can you please go a little faster? T. So guys, we've reached the waterfall and it's currently raining. Let's go.
Look at the view.
Look at the view. Look at the view, let's go. Come on. We have to pay a small price for the ticket before we begin the jungle journey. So we have gotten the ticket first and now we're off. We're leaving right now. Walk here. Oh, it's unstable. There's already a raging torrent of water. Feeding current. And it's very loud here. Lots of jungle noises. And the rushing water. One final push.
One step at a time.
We made it. Everyone's in a while we see this seething torrent of water like this. Look at these lotuses. Mommy, look at these, are the acorns?
Not really. No.
Could be. I'll call them manipulative acorns. It's probably some jungle fruit. Termite mound!
Yeah.
Anybody home? And the reason termite mounds are here is that where they live. They're ants.
Very humid.
So the ants like pack dirt with their saliva. The rush of water and the jungle is so loud that we can barely even hear each other. Sometimes it was a bit scary because we were all alone with nobody around. Oh my! Come on!
Yes, down. Down there. Down that path.
Ah! This is allowed me to roar. No tiger can tackle me. We made it and lived to tell the tale. Having lots of fun is so crazy. Look at this. And I've roamed in on like a striped rock and I'm going to catch him. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa.